Alright, so after you had your sketch, your finalized sketch done and it's been approved, you're going to tape it down with washi tape to black paper. And then we're going to use the Xacto knife to make clean cuts. So you want to make sure you have a sharp blade. Please do not poke yourself with it. Don't do that. So when you do this, to get straight lines, you're going to start in one spot. You don't have to push super hard. You're going to pull towards me. I'm going to move my paper as I need to. Now I just changed this blade out so it's really, really sharp. So it went all the way through. But if your blade isn't super sharp, all you have to do is take it across here a second time in the same pattern to cut it. Okay? I will show you what this looks like when I'm done. Alright, once you've cut everything out, you're gonna just slowly go through, push it out. You're gonna make sure there's any pieces like this that aren't wanting to come apart. Don't rip it, just come back through. Okay, I think that is my... You just gotta slowly go through and pop it out. Alright, so you still have other things you have to get from your paper, but for now you gotta put off to the side. And there is your creature. So, yeah, the basics of it.